Alright guys, so today we're doing a review of this Lavashak. This is their Barberry version. So I did a review of the mulberry and the sour cherry, so there's the ingredients if you guys want to read it. There is salt in this, so it is like a salty sour that I find. But I've never tried this. So far my favorite is the mulberry when I compare it with the cherry and mulberry, sour cherry and this. Now I'm going to try this one and I'll let you know. So let's open this up. This is really sticky, by the way, when you unwrap it. That's the only drawback. Okay, so this is what the pomegranate one looks like. You can see there's some seeds in this. Not a huge thing, but you see there's also plastic again, so this is why they're super sticky. So let me unwrap one. Okay. So this one's really sour. It's almost even more sour than the sour cherry. But it's not horrible. It has that sort of sour salt sort of thing. My favorite still is the mulberry right now. But definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.